Welcome to Mastering Python's Magic Methods. We'll explore custom Dunder methods, enhancing your ability to write Pythonic and powerful code. This session is designed for experienced developers eager to deepen their understanding of Python's core capabilities. Magic methods, or Dunder methods, are integral to Python's object-oriented nature. They allow custom classes to interact seamlessly with built-in operations. By implementing methods like add or EQI, you enable your objects to behave like native types, enhancing code expressiveness and functionality. Understanding these methods is crucial for writing efficient Pythonic code. Magic methods, or Dunder methods, are special functions in Python that define object behavior with built-in operations. They enable custom classes to mimic built-in types, making Python objects intuitive. When using operators like plus or functions like len, Python invokes these methods, providing expressive power and forming the foundation of Python's data model. In Python, magic methods like add and repr define object behavior with operators and functions. For instance, in a vector class, add allows vector addition using plus, while repr provides a developer-friendly string representation. These methods, marked by double underscores, are automatically triggered by Python, enhancing object interaction and display. Magic methods enhance intuitive APIs by allowing users to interact with objects using familiar syntax, like vector1 plus vector2 instead of vector1.add vector2. They ensure protocol compliance, enabling seamless integration with Python's features. Implementing these methods reflects professional code, showcasing a deep understanding of Python's design philosophy. Object representation methods in Python include gotch, repr, I, str, and I format. Repr provides a developer-oriented view, crucial for debugging. Str offers a user-friendly display, while botchor format I allows custom formatting. In the account class, repraus returns a detailed string. Staraus presents a readable format, and format customizes output based on specifications. Implementing repr is crucial for effective debugging. It should return a string that can recreate the object using eval, like class name, argu1, arg2. This ensures clarity in read eval print loop, logs, and error messages. Avoid making repr aesthetically pleasing at the cost of detail. Reserve that for star. In Python, comparison magic methods like eq, ltt, and GULE allow objects to be compared. For instance, the version class compares version numbers using these methods. Implementing just a few, like geo, eq, and geo, lt can enable full comparison capabilities, especially when combined with the functools total ordering decorator, which infers the remaining methods. The total ordering decorator simplifies comparison operations by generating missing methods. Define eqi and one other, like ult, to automatically get the rest. This reduces boilerplate and ensures consistency. Always implement eqi explicitly to avoid default identity comparison. In the student class, this approach allows us to compare GPAs effortlessly. Arithmetic operator overloading enhances class functionality by defining methods like chaspof add, odd, sub, as, and ost mul for basic operations. Reflected operators, such as rad, as, manage cases where the object appears on the right side. In-place operators like add optimize performance by allowing mutation. These methods enable intuitive arithmetic operations on custom objects, like adding money instances with currency checks. Container magic methods transform objects into collection-like entities. Implement len bot for length retrieval, getatim and setatim for accessing and assigning values, and deletem for deletion. Use bog contains for membership checks, and document iter for iteration. These methods collectively enable custom classes to mimic native Python collections seamlessly. The unique list class exemplifies a custom container that eliminates duplicates. It uses magic methods like jakjar len jar for length, getItem jakjar for access, and jakjar setitem jakjar for assignment with duplicate checks. Jats contains supports membership testing, while jakjar iter jakjar allows iteration. This design ensures efficient, duplicate-free list management, enhancing data integrity in Python applications. Context managers utilize the with statement to manage resources efficiently, ensuring cleanup even during exceptions. The yamark enter $$ method initializes resources, while exit always handles cleanup, optionally suppressing exceptions. For instance, database connection opens and closes a database connection, maintaining resource integrity. This pattern is crucial for reliable resource management in Python programming. Context managers, like the timer class, efficiently manage resources by timing code execution. The page enter $$ method starts the timer, while page exit hours calculates elapsed time, ensuring precise performance measurement. This approach is invaluable for optimizing database queries and other resource-intensive tasks, enhancing code reliability and clarity. The call method allows class instances to be used like functions. This is ideal for creating function-like objects with state, such as decorators or factories. For example, a multiplier class can be defined with a call method to multiply numbers by a factor, enabling instances to be used in map or filter operations. Getter.ir is invoked when an attribute isn't found, ideal for dynamic attributes or fallback behavior. GetAttribute is called for every access, offering power, but risking infinite loops. Setter is used for setting attributes, useful for validation or logging. Delater controls attribute deletion, allowing you to prevent or manage deletions effectively. Dynamic attributes in Python allow for flexible configuration management. In the dynamic config class, getAttr I provides default values when attributes are missing, while ctattr i's manages attribute assignments, storing them in a private dictionary. This approach ensures dynamic defaults and custom configurations without risking infinite recursion during attribute setting. Descriptors in Python, like validated property, enable attribute validation and management. They use methods like get, set, and setName to control access and enforce rules. In the person class, descriptors ensure age is an integer between 0 and 150, and name is a non-empty string, raising errors for invalid values. To emulate numeric types in Python, implement magic methods like radd, rint, r, and rneg. This allows your class to perform arithmetic, bitwise, and type conversion operations, making it indistinguishable from built-in types. Implementing the complete numeric protocol ensures seamless integration with Python's numeric operations. New is the true constructor, creating instances before init initializes them. Override, new, for subclassing immutable types, implementing singletons, or customizing instance creation. In a singleton, new ensures a single instance. For positive int, new enforces positive values, raising value error if negative. These techniques enhance control over object creation. Avoid common pitfalls in magic methods. Always return self in methods like enter to enable chaining. Prevent infinite recursion in getAttribute by using super getAttribute name. Return not implemented for unsupported operations, not implemented error. Simplify class design. Use magic methods only when they enhance the API's intuitiveness. Ensure magic methods align with user expectations. Implement add only if it combines objects logically. Return appropriate types. Arithmetic should yield class instances, comparisons booleans. Handle edge cases by returning not implemented for unsupported operations, raising type error for wrong types. Document magic methods in class docstrings to clarify supported operations and limitations. Magic methods, while expressive, introduce overhead due to method calls. To optimize, use in-place operators like IADD to modify objects directly, reducing the need for new instances. Implement slots to minimize memory usage in classes with many instances. Cache properties with error property for efficiency, but prioritize readability over micro-optimizations. Testing magic methods is crucial for robust code. Use PyTest to validate operations like addition, ensuring type errors are caught. Verify representation with repar and eval for consistency. Test comparison transitivity and hash stability to uphold contracts. Thorough testing covers edge cases, ensuring reliability and adherence to expected behaviors. Python's data model boasts over 50 magic methods, essential for arithmetic, containers, and context management. Mastering iterator, sequence, and context manager protocols is crucial for Pythonic code. Implement these methods to enhance API intuitiveness, prioritizing clarity over cleverness. Delve into Python's documentation, study libraries like NumPy and Pandas, and practice by creating custom classes.